Have you ever wanted to have a conversation with AI? Well, meet ChatGPT, your new conversational companion. In this video, we're going to explore what ChatGPT is, how it works, and how you can use it to make your life easier and more fun. ChatGPT is an AI-powered chatbot developed by OpenAI. It's designed to understand your questions and respond in a way that feels natural, almost like talking to a real person. It's like having a personal assistant, tutor, or brainstorming partner all in one. So, what can it do? ChatGPT can answer your questions from simple facts to in-depth explanations, help you write emails, essays, or even entire stories, generate creative ideas for projects, or solve tricky problems, and the best part, it keeps learning and improving over time. But how does it work? ChatGPT uses something called a language model. It's trained on massive amounts of text, so it can predict and generate responses based on the context you provide. Think of it as a super smart autocomplete. Getting started is easy. You can access ChatGPT through OpenAI's website or apps. Just type your question or task and let the magic happen. Whether you're looking to save time, boost creativity, or just have a little fun, ChatGPT is here to help. Ready to try it out? Let us know your first question for ChatGPT in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Smart Spark for more amazing AI insights.